In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw money from RedBubble. Whether you're new to the platform or just need a refresher on how to access your earnings, I've got you covered. Let's dive right into the process, and you'll have your hard-earned cash in hand in no time. To start things off, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the RedBubble website. If you've been using RedBubble for a while, this should be pretty familiar. Once you're on the home page, look towards the top right corner of the screen. There, you'll see the Login option. Give that button a click to access your account. You'll need to enter your login details, so make sure you have those handy. Now that you're logged in, it's time to manage your portfolio. This is where you'll get an overview of what's happening with your designs and sales. To do this, click on your avatar in the top right corner. With just a click, you'll open up a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Manage Portfolio. This section is a hub of useful information, so it's good to get familiar with it. Next, direct your attention to the Get Paid, or sometimes labeled Earnings section. This is the part where the magic happens. Here, you can view your current earnings balance and see exactly how much you've made from your sales. It's motivating to track your success over time, and here's where it all comes together. Now, let's move on to securing those earnings. Head over to your account settings, which you can find in the drop-down menu from your avatar. Once in your settings, look for the option that says Edit Payment Details. This step is crucial because it's where you'll provide all the necessary information to receive your payments. You'll need to fill in your personal payment information, which includes your name, address, and your choice of currency. RedBubble allows you to choose either PayPal or direct bank deposit as your payment method. Both methods are reliable, so pick the one that suits you best. Make sure that all the information you enter is accurate to avoid any issues with payment transfers. After you've carefully filled in all the required details, don't forget to click Save Changes. It's important to save any updates you've made so that everything is up to date for your next payment. Once saved, you can sit back and relax, knowing your earnings will be on their way to you soon. Finally, it's worthy to note that eligible payments are typically sent out around the 15th of each month. So, make sure all your information is accurate and set up before this date. With all these steps completed, you're all set to receive your payments from RedBubble. Enjoy the fruits of your creative labor, and happy selling.